So let's say what I want to do is I want to add in a vignette around in this image right here, but there is no vignette tool that is directly available in Photopea. So to do that, I'm going to go around and create a new layer first, and then add in a gradient over here. So I'm going to go around onto gradient, and I'm going to add in a radial gradient right here, just like this. Then I'm going to go around and click and drag a line right here, just like this. So this is an opposite gradient right here. So let's just go ahead and reverse it and then click and drag. And you can see that I got the white area right here, and then you got the black areas on the side right here. Apart from that, if I were to go around onto the blending mode, I can go around and multiply it out right here. Then you have a vignette right here, just like this, which is added onto the image, as you can see, just like that. And this is how you can go ahead and then apply out vignette as you like right here. You can click and drag on the particular layer, and you can see that the vignette has been added in right there, just like that. So that is how you can utilize vignette using gradient inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.